Is your Windows 10 PC running slow? It's a frustrating issue we've all had to deal with at some point, but don't worry, it's not a lost cause. There are several ways to clean up and speed up your computer, and we're here to share them with you. From regular updates to managing your disk space, we've got you covered. In this video, we will walk you through some useful tips and tricks to keep your PC at peak performance. Our first tip for you is to keep your PC updated. It's not just about having the latest features, although that's always fun. It's about speed and performance. See, updates often come with bug fixes and improvements that can enhance the overall functionality of your system. Think of it like a car. If you don't keep it maintained, it's going to start slowing down, perhaps even break down. It's the same with your computer. Regular system and software updates are like the oil changes and tire rotations of the digital world. They keep everything running smoothly and prevent unnecessary slowdowns. And let's not forget about security. Updates also often contain patches for security vulnerabilities. By keeping your system updated, you're also protecting your computer from potential threats. Updates may take a bit of time and bandwidth, but the benefits they offer in terms of performance, security, and stability far outweigh these minor inconveniences. Remember, an updated PC is a happy PC. Next, let's talk about cleaning up your disk space. Imagine your computer as a library, and each file is a book. Over time, that library can get cluttered with books you no longer need, making it harder to find the books you do need. This is essentially what happens when your computer's disk space is filled with unnecessary files. These files can slow down your PC just like how a cluttered library slows down your search for a book. Now, how do you go about cleaning up your disk space? Thankfully, Windows 10 has a built-in tool for this called Disk Cleanup. It's like a librarian that helps you sort out and remove the books you don't need anymore. To use Disk Cleanup, simply type Disk Cleanup into your search bar and select the drive you want to clean. This tool will then scan your drive for temporary files, system files, and other unnecessary items. Once the scan is complete, Disk Cleanup will provide a list of file types and how much space you can free up by deleting them. Now, it's just a matter of selecting the file types you want to remove and clicking OK. And voila, you've successfully cleaned up your disk space. So make it a habit to clean up your disk space regularly to keep your PC running smoothly. Now, on to our next tip: managing your PC's tasks. The Task Manager is your secret weapon in maintaining the speed of your PC. It's a window to the soul of your computer, showing you exactly what's going on behind the scenes. It's like a personal assistant who keeps track of all your computer's tasks. When your PC seems to be slowing down, Task Manager can help you identify the culprits. It shows you a list of all the currently running programs and how much system resources they're using. It's like a traffic report for your PC, showing you where the bottlenecks are. Want to know how to access this handy tool? Simply press Ctrl, Shift, and Escape keys simultaneously, or right-click the taskbar and select Task Manager. You'll see a list of processes, and here's where the magic happens. You can see exactly which programs are using the most CPU, memory, and disk resources. But what to do with this information? That's simple. If a program is using a lot of resources, and you don't need it running, you can end the task. Just right-click on the program and select End Task. Be careful though, not to end any system processes, as that could cause instability. The Task Manager is a powerful tool. But remember, with great power comes great responsibility. Use it wisely. And don't forget, keep an eye on your Task Manager to ensure no unwanted programs are hogging your PC's resources. Lastly, let's tackle those pesky startup programs. You know, those little culprits that automatically spring into action the moment you boot up your computer? Well, while some of these programs are essential for the smooth running of your system, others can be quite the resource hogs, slowing down your PC considerably. Let's start with understanding what these startup programs are. They're basically applications that have been programmed to automatically run when you start your computer. Some of these are vital, like your antivirus software. But others, like that photo editing tool you downloaded eons ago but never use, are not. So, how do we manage these startup programs? It's quite straightforward. Windows 10 has a built-in tool for this. You just need to open the Task Manager. You can do this by right-clicking on the taskbar at the bottom of your screen and selecting Task Manager from the menu that pops up. Once you've got Task Manager open, click on the Startup tab. You'll see a list of all the programs that start up with your computer. Now, it's just a matter of going through this list and disabling the ones you don't need. To disable a program, simply right-click on it and choose Disable from the menu. Remember though, not all startup programs are unnecessary. Always make sure you know what a program does before disabling it. By managing your startup programs, you can significantly speed up your PC's boot time. And that's it, folks. We've journeyed through the maze of Windows 10, picking up some invaluable tips and tricks along the way. Let's take a moment to recap. First, we learned about the significance of regular updates. These not only safeguard our systems from potential threats, but also ensure optimal performance. Second, we delved into the importance of cleaning up disk space. This act of digital hygiene keeps our PCs running smoothly, providing us with an uncluttered workspace. Next, we tackled the Task Manager, a powerful tool that allows us to monitor and control our system's processes. Finally, we discussed the benefits of disabling startup programs. By controlling what runs when we boot up our computer, we can significantly improve its speed and efficiency. Implementing these simple steps will go a long way in maintaining a fast and clean PC. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Tech Mode for more tech tips and tricks. Here's to a faster, cleaner PC.